wait a second. Are you going to play with that?
Move it.
Time?
Eli, put it down, please.
Let's check that out.
Okay, put it down, please, then don't touch it again.
Okay, how's that look? Good?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, guys, we're here to do our basketball break, number 14. We got 2019 DONRUSS. We got a 2019 certified. And we got a 2017-18 Panini Noir. 7 cards on that one. Some really awesome cards in that one. I've seen some monsters come out of that box. I'm here with my nephew Eli. Eli, say what's up.
Hi guys.
And my brother Peter.
What's up, guys?
What's going on? Nick, I see you're on it. We're just trying to figure out who is the best basketball player in the room.
Pete.
I don't know, Pete, did you ever play any high school basketball officially?
Briefly.
I don't think so.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Yeah. So,
I play at school. Does that count?
no. So, can we say safely that I'm the better basketball player, Pete, or what?
Probably.
I almost made it on the junior team.
Did you? Almost?
Yeah, but I didn't.
Okay.
So you don't count.
Doesn't count. All right, guys. So we're here to do the basketball break. So we're going to go into the teams. So we got Frank has got the Raptors. Gus has Charlotte Hornets. Now the one thing we're going to mention, guys, is that the original Charlotte Hornets turned into the Pelicans. So that means that in the Panini Noir, if there's any old Charlotte Hornet cards, they're going to go to the Pelicans because the Charlotte Bobcats is a separate franchise. I just wanted to mention that. Gus has the Charlotte Hornets. Andrew's got the Atlanta Hawks. Chris has got the Bulls. Henry's got the Wizards, the Washington Wizards. Henry's also got Dallas, which is good in this break for these newer boxes because you got the possible Luka autograph that's going for a lot of money. Chris is going for the Brooklyn Nets. Chris has the Brooklyn Nets. Chris also has the Cavaliers. Eli, you got the Bucks,
Yep.
which has the Greek Freak on that team, so that's a good team. James has got the Memphis Grizzlies. Jake's got Phoenix. Eli, you got the Clippers.
Yep.
That has Kawhi right now. How do you feel about Kawhi leaving? Are you sad or happy?
Sad.
You sad? Eli, you also got the Oklahoma City Thunder. Andrew's got the Knicks. Henry's got Houston. Jake's got Golden State. Chris has got the Denver Nuggets. James has got Philadelphia 76ers, which is good because you got a possible Ben Simmons rookie in that 17-18 Noir. Frank's got New Orleans Pelicans, possibly the worst name on a franchise. Frank's also got the Utah Jazz, which is good. Donovan Mitchell, rookie in that one. Chris has got Detroit. Frank's got Portland. Jake's got Indiana. And we'll finish it off. James has got the Celtics. Henry's got the Heat. James has got the Timberwolves. Eli's got Orlando Magic. Shaq played for Orlando. Maybe there's a possible Shaq card for you. Gus has got San Antonio. Jake's got the Lakers. And Gus has got Sacramento. So Eli is going to be passing me sleeves, and you're going to be telling me who's got what team so we can tell who won, okay?
Yep.
All right, guys, so we're going to start off, and I think we're going to start off with the DONRUSS. A lot of cards in this one. There's 2 autographs in this box on average, but there's a lot of cards in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through them. I'm going to stop at the rookies, and I'm going to stop at, obviously, the autographs and any parallels. My daughter's really excited, if you could hear, about the break. So here we go right now, guys. We're going to go right into it. Obviously, 2018-19, Trae Young. You got also the Luka's the hottest card of the whole set. That Luka's going really good. There you go. Athena's very excited about the break. Okay, so we will get this one open. What are we doing here?
Take the cards out.
Yeah. Take the packs out.
So how much packs are in there?
There are, nice, good question. There are 30 cards per pack, and there's 10 packs.
So that's around
300 cards we're going to go through.
6
Yeah. So, like I said, we're going to stop at the rookies and we're going to stop at the autographs. But we got to get through 300 cards, so here we go, guys. Good luck to everybody. Shortly after the break, we are going to do our giveaway. Eli's going to help me with that, right?
Yep, I am.
Okay, so first one is Mo Bamba. Here's a nice rookie. So we will put that side. All the rookies are going to be sleeved. So
Yours, Eli, that's yours.
yeah, that's yours. First off the bat. On the DONRUSS, so the DONRUSS cards are the rated rookies. So that's the big thing with DONRUSS. So what they do is they're the hits along with the autographs. So we're gonna go here. We have another one. We have a Josh how you say that? Okigi?
Okima?
Okogi.
Okogi. So you can sleeve that one.
Yep.
Here, I'll sleeve them.
I know.
Here, just give me the sleeves.
You can sleeve that one, Peter.
Did I
Okay.
need that?
Devin Books. Here's another rated rookie. And this one's a gold parallel, Aaron Holiday. And that one's from Indiana. Who's got Indiana?
Indiana.
Porter Jr. Here's another gold rookie. And this one is a Grayson Allen, Utah Jazz. And that's Frank. Frank's got Utah.
Wait,
On our breaks, guys, we always sleeve all the rookies and any autograph cards. Make sure that they're in top condition when you get them. So we got a Paul Gasol. Here's another rated rookie. And this one is a Zaire Smith.
This is Philadelphia.
Philadelphia.
is.
I think that's Chris.
Yes, Jack.
Derrick Rose.
A lot of rookies.
Wait, what?
Here's a Troy Brown Jr. That's a nice card. That's a red parallel.
James has Philadelphia.
Yeah, James has Philadelphia. Washington.
Washington.
Mike
Wizards
Conley, I think.
is Henry. Or Harry. Yeah, Henry.
Okay, here's a nice parallel. It's a press proof, the rookies. And then it's Jaren Jackson Jr.
What team is
From
that?
what team?
Leave that one up.
The Grizzlies.
Yeah.
Memphis Grizzlies.
Memphis?
And here's, look at
Oh, that's
this.
me. Oh,
Yeah.
never mind.
It's a nice Court King. Look at that.
No, no.
Who's that?
Carl Anthony Towns
What team?
and
Timberwolves.
Timberwolves.
Minnesota.
So we'll keep on going. And we have some all-star cards here. We have James Harden, wishful thinking. Chris Brown. So these are all probably just the
Common.
just all the comments here. If you're going for the set, this is a nice set to do. So I guess every pack has the rated rookies, and then we have the commons after. So these are all the commons, guys. These are all will go to every individual team that you got it. So that is our first pack. A lot of good players. We got 2 autograph packs in here, guys. 2 autograph cards that we're going to get in here. And there's some parallels, the Court Kings, stuff like that. So and the rated rookies. So here we go. And this is Gary Trent Jr. from the Portland Trailblazers. I think that's Frank. He's got the Portland.
Portland. Who's got Portland?
Frank. I think Frank's got it.
Are you sure?
Oh, Tariq Evans. And look at this one. That's one of the big hits in here. Who's got
Yeah.
Dallas?
Dallas, Texas.
No.
Who's got Dallas Mavericks? Look
Okay.
over here. You got to look on this side. Dallas Mavericks.
Right there. You just passed them. Henry.
Henry.
Henry, here's your first Luka, buddy. That's a nice card right there. Sleeve that one nice, Pete. Here we go. Spencer. Here's another rated rookie. We got Alonzo Trier.
Who's got the New York Knicks?
New York Knicks.
This guys are also hot too. The Bulls. I think Chris has got the Bulls. This is Wendell Carter Jr. That's a nice rookie right there.
New York.
And we got another rookie, Moritz Wagner, and he is on the Los Angeles Lakers.
I need your help.
Don't worry.
Oh, New York is Andrew. New York Knicks?
Yeah. And Dilo, here's a nice Oklahoma City Thunder. That's yours, Eli.
Yours.
That's a nice card right there.
Ooh.
And we got, here we go. Here's a nice Hall Kings. That's a nice Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Look at that one. Nice.
Who's got that LA Lakers?
Jack.
Jack?
Jake.
Here's a nice card. It's rated rookie, but it's numbered to 349.
Minnesota. Who has Minnesota, Eli?
Minnesota.
James.
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 There is a nice one right there. And you got a couple of court. These are nice. These rookie kings are nice. Josh Okigi and Jimmy Butler.
How much? Which team is that?
It's okay. We don't have to name them all, but when we get to a nice card, we will stop and let the guy know. Here's a nice. Here we go. And we got so we got some nice little parallels here. Retro series. That was Ray Allen. I'm gonna do a box break from 96, 97 that has Ray Allen, Kobe Bryant's rookies in them. So we're gonna do those soon. So Cal Lowry, this is back to the comments, and we'll go through here these ones quick because we want to go through the rookies only. Okay, guys. So going through the rookies, all these ones will go to the teams that we got them. Okay, yeah, we are the champs, but I don't know about for next year. And we'll Barton next pack.
Well, we signed a bunch of bums.
Yeah, I don't know. You think they'll make the playoffs, Andrew? What do you think? 8th seed? Andrew, speaking of Canadians, we got Andrew Wiggins. He's supposed to maybe sign for the Raptors one day, they say. So we'll go from.
You want me to sleeve it?
No, just go over here. Just a comment. Here we go.
Who's that? Mavericks.
Ooh, who's that? Who's another Greek freak?
Have,
That's his brother.
Is it?
Yeah.
Maverick is who is he?
Dallas.
Yeah, Josh Jackson. We got another rated rookie over here, and this one is DeCenzo. Dante DeCenzo.
This guy's really white.
Yeah.
Milwaukee. That's yours, Eli.
Milwaukee.
Here's some rated cards. We got Kevin Knox. This guy's really good right now.
I think James. No. Who has the Knicks?
Yeah. Who's got the Knicks? That's a nice card. Javon Carter.
But don't wrong.
It's alright, we don't have to go through every single time. Here's another one. Justin Jackson. This guy's pretty good. This is Orlando. Don't you have Orlando?
Yep, I do.
Yeah.
That's Eli's card. And we got Landry Shamet.
That's Clippers.
Utah. Is that no 76ers?
Clippers.
I think that's Chris.
Chris.
Is that 76ers?
7.
No, James.
Has,
Yeah, James has. Oh, is that our first? Is that our first auto? Yes, it is. Significant signatures, and we got a nice
Which team?
Dino Raja. And who's got Boston?
Boston.
Boston Celtics. Who's got the Celtics,
Go
guys?
to the next page, Eli.
Next page. James.
Oh.
James got our first autograph. That's a nice looking card, eh?
It's like hologram.
Dino Raja. Boston Celtics.
Oh.
Here's some Hall Kings, some
That's
old
Chris.
players, and we got the inserts here. These are all-star inserts. We got John Stockton. We had on our site, Peter, the best, your top 5. If you could pick any player.
What? On a team?
No, you could pick any 5 players in history. And who is your starting 5?
Oh, I don't know.
Here's a LeBron James. He's on the Kings here, so it must be newer.
Kings and Lakers.
Lakers, sorry, he's on the Lakers. Yeah, you're right. So these are newer. Jason Tatum, he's good. That's the same picture as the last year. That's pretty cool. And we got
Ibaka.
Serge Ibaka. Is he leaving? Maybe. Who's your center?
Shaq.
Shaq?
Shaq's my center.
Fresno.
Shaq is your center?
Shaq.
I picked Wilt Chamberlain. Andrew, who did you pick for your center?
Greek.
Okay, so here we go. Oh, there's a nice one. That's Trae Young. That's probably the second hottest rookie in the set.
Andrew's got Atlanta.
Andrew, nice card. That's a nice Trae Young. Trae Young and Luka, those are the 2 hottest ones for money-wise. We got Lonnie Walker. Is that the 5th, Peter, or the 6th? What is that?
Danny Green.
There's Denny Green on the Spurs already.
On the already.
No, who did he sign with?
Lakers.
Lakers.
Well, it says Raptors, and he's got Spurs, so
Yeah,
I
that
guess
half
it's
of it-
late from last
that
year.
half of it's orange.
Gus has the Spurs.
Yeah. Miles Bridges, here's another good rookie. He's another good rookie. And that is Charlotte. And Robert Williams III, and that's Boston. Who did we say had Boston?
James.
James, another rookie. What I would do, guys, is I would grade all the rated rookies. Well, the ones that are doing good in the league. Those are probably command the most money. And this guy's also hot right now. Sacramento Kings. Who's got Sacramento? That's a nice rookie. Marvin Bagley III. He's probably the third or fourth hottest rookie there. We got a nice Mark Gasol from Memphis. This guy helped us win the championship. There he is.
Which year
Nice
is that?
Court Kings.
You want to see this one?
Yeah, and here is a nice numbered card for the. Is it numbered? Yeah, numbered to 349, and that's Chris Middleton.
That's yours, Eli.
Yeah,
Look
that's
at
yours,
the
Eli.
box.
We got some old Magic Johnson. How about Magic Johnson for your point guard? Would you use him? An old Bamba.
Me.
Sleeve that one.
That's me.
Kevin Durant, and ooh, look at that one.
Good.
Here's another Sluga. The rookies. This one's nice. And we said who had Dallas? We had James.
James.
We said James has Dallas.
Hold on.
Already Henry. Already a second Luka right there. Here's the what was his nickname, Pete? This guy right here. Do you remember? Do you remember his nickname?
Dennis.
He'd come off the bench and do something right away.
He wasn't the microwave.
He was the microwave.
No, he wasn't.
Yeah,
What
was
did
it?
he
Was that his nickname? Was that the microwave? Dennis Johnson.
No, I don't think it was.
Was
That
Dennis
was
Johnson
Vinny Johnson. No.
No, it was Dennis Johnson. I think that was the microwave because he heated up really quick.
Yeah.
Here we go. And some cards. Ben Simmons just signed for what? 170 million?
Yeah.
Philadelphia. Here we go. Rondo.
There's some comments.
DJ Augustine. We're giving away one of his autographs in the draw.
I have
Yeah.
that's me.
Tim Hardaway Jr., James Johnson, Aaron Gordon, and Al Wolford.
What
Okay.
are some of the worst sports nicknames? How about that?
The microwave.
The microwave was good. He heated up. Don't you get it? He heated up really quick. He came off the bench. Here we go. Here's another Vincent Edwards. Here's a rated rookie. Let's sleeve that up. And we will sleeve up this Mitchell Robinson. There's the Knicks. There's the one that you were talking about, Andrew.
That's a weird jersey.
Who's got New York? Does Andrew's got the Knicks? Andrew, you got the Knicks?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a nice one. Here's a Chimenzi Metu. That's a cool name.
Eli, give me a sleeve pack.
That one right there. Chimenzi Metu. How about that? How about that name?
Gus has the Spurs.
Gus, you have the Spurs.
Did you
Jaren
actually
Jackson.
pack? Can I open one?
No, let him.
You're gonna
open
do
them.
the draw. You're gonna do the draw. Jaren Jackson. We'll speed that up.
Too many. Hold on. Give me that.
And here is a nice insert rated rookie. So that's a orange or a red. And that is how do you say that? Eli? Is that Eli? Is his name? Ellie?
Jake.
Is that Ellie or Eli?
Ellie.
Eli Okobo.
This guy's good. This
Another
guy's a good
Phoenix?
rookie. This guy. I would probably put this guy. This is the 5th best rookie. There you go. Okay, guys. So we're just going into the Court Kings now. And Oscar Robinson, one of the best of all time. Look at that Manute Bol. Look at those arms. Andrew, he looks like you. Your arms. All-star cards, and then we're going into the commons. So we'll just go through the commons quickly.
Yeah, thank you.
Williams, Tony Parker.
So would you say rated rookies are like young guns?
Yeah, the rated. Well, the for this set, yeah, the rated rookies are the ones. The rated rookies. You got to get 10s though.
Eli,
Too.
grab the packs and throw them in the
Here
jar.
we go. Aaron Holiday. We got another one.
We already got this guy.
Yeah, it's a double then. Gary Trent Jr. Look at that. Second Luka.
That's actually third.
No, well, it's a second rated rookie, but it's a third Luka. You're right. There you go. That's a second Luka. Pretty good.
Wait, isn't
And
that-
here's another nice Troy Brown Jr. Wendell Carter Jr. So the rookies, the rated rookies, are coming in doubles, which is good news. Here's Moritz again. Looks like the same back. Clyde Drexler, Dwayne Wade, retro series. Dwayne Wade's rookie card is starting to climb up. And we got, go into the comments, another Cal Lowry. He's probably going to get traded at the deadline. They're going to start rebuilding. Do you think they're going to make the playoffs, Peter?
Probably not.
No.
No? Who thinks the Raps are going to make the playoffs with the team they got? Paul Gasol and
Name me their starting five.
well, Paul Gasol and Lowry are going to get traded for sure.
Yeah, but Paul Gasol's got he has one. This is his last year.
Yeah, and he's probably he's gonna they're going to trade him. They got to get something.
I thought shiny good.
Here we go. You saw something
Who's
shiny.
that?
Yep.
Dallas.
That was
There you go.
No.
Mikal Bridges. He's good. Nice rated rookies here. You got Colin Sexton. That guy's good. He's on Cleveland. And Melton. And we got Jerome Robinson. Here's another. Jerome Robinson. Kevin Love. That guy got a lot of money. Anthony Simmons. He's pretty good. And Scottie Pippen. One of the best players. Here's our second.
Those are the Spurs.
Oh, no, this is just the Rookie Kings. Thought it was a signature. Kevin Durant. Really. We still need one more signature, right, guys?
Who's that?
Retrospective Grant Hill.
The worst jersey.
And we're going into the comments. There's the Greek Freak right there.
Give me that.
Just,
You like?
you like that one?
This one?
Well, students, no, put it down. Here we go. Some more commons. Okay, there can wait to get 3 more packs. We got to get going, boys, because we still got the certified to go. So, I'll stop it. So good. Here we go. Jacob Evans the third. Ooh, what's that name? Svi. Like, people make fun of me for butchering names, but you
Zvi.
Zvi. How do you get Zvi? What isn't it? Zvi?
Zvi Mikmahuluik.
McMahulowicz?
Sound like it's Greek.
He's not Greek.
Yeah, that sounds like it's Greek, Eli.
It does?
Kari
No, it
Thomas.
doesn't.
No, it's like first name.
Zvi?
Zvi's not Greek. Vanderbilt, that's a nice card. There you go.
Do you know a lot of Greeks that are named Zvi?
No.
there are no Greeks named Zvi.
That's what I just said.
All right.
He says he sounds
Derrick Rose, isn't he? It's weird in Minnesota. He's used to see him in Chicago. So here we go. Some Court Kings.
He just signed a
Blake
one-year deal
Griffin.
with someone, didn't he?
There's Will
Looks
Chamberlain.
nice.
That would be my center of my all-time team. That's my center. And we'll go into the comments here. So we're still looking for our
My second autograph.
second autograph here. You're right. Donovan Mitchell. That guy's good. I like that guy. DeMar DeRozan in his Raptor uniform. Trading him won us a title. Now, Peter, would you trade a title to be bad for 5-6 years?
Yes.
100%? Or would you rather make the playoffs, make the second round every year, be competitive?
Nope. Could be competitive to win a title.
No, I'm saying
That's your goal.
you get a title, but your team is going to be bad for 10 years.
Well, I don't. 10 years is a long time to be bad.
Well,
I would win a title to be
Yeah.
bad for 3 years.
yeah, 3 years, yeah, but not 10 years? No.
No.
If there's no
Because that's what they were going to do with, here's another Raider rookie. That was what they were going to do with DeMar, right? They would have made the first or second round, and then Chandler
if
Hutchinson
there
from
isn't
the Bulls.
an autograph in here, there'll have to be one in this one. The
Yeah,
last one.
there's going to be a last one, yeah. Go Porter Jr. That'd be cool if we can get a look.
who's that?
There it is.
Here it is.
Landry Shamet. There's our second one. That's a nice looking card. Look at that. On
Really?
card.
Really is
James.
James. Did he get the first autograph?
Yeah, he did.
No. Who?
No, but the Bucks or the Boston.
Boston is James.
Did he get both autographs?
No, second page.
Boston is James. He got both autographs.
Both autographs in their first box. Landry Shamet. Oh, that's on card, eh? That's not. You see that? That's better than stickers. So get that sleeved up nice. Court Kings, Patrick Ewing,
Do you need one of these?
No.
Tim Kerr, and then we're going to get into the comments really quick. I think there's some Raider rookies in this one, Pete.
Where?
Lonzo Ball, Clay Thomas. Here we go.
Yeah, one more to
Eric
go.
Gordon, DeAndre Gordon, and things. So last
Last
one.
pack.
Maybe we'll.
Then we're moving on to the next one.
And we're moving on to the certified. Certified's a little bit higher, better set than so. DONRUSS is good, but I would say the
You
certified.
didn't show this one here.
Yeah, who's that?
Steve Kerr.
Steve Kerr. There you go. There you go. I'll just put them there, right? Raider
Can I shoot
rookie,
my shot?
Mo Bamba again. That's the third one. Josh Ogilvy. How about that name right there? He's not Greek.
What the hell? Ozanan Musa? Where's he from?
Sounds Indian.
He sounds like he's Indian. He's white. Eli.
No,
Grayson Allen.
That name sounds.
Okay, Zari Smith. And Dominique Wilkins. Here we're going to the comments. Here we go. Chris Dunn, Jeremy Lin,
Jeremy
Barnes.
Lin.
Yeah, Avery Butler, Zach Rudolph, and Ricky Rubio. Okay, so that's it for our first box.
Now we're moving
Two
on.
hits from James, right?
We're moving on to the spot.
Lots of
Hold on, Eli.
there was lots of rated rookies in there for you guys. So I think we got them all. Must have got them all. Here's our second box. And we'll take the packs out here.
What's that?
Nice case. Sorry, we'll leave it in the background.
Here, do you want me to-
Okay, first pack of the certified. We're ready to go, guys. We have the sleeves ready.
Yep.
Pete,
Yep, just done.
some more
All the
sleeves.
Raider rookies.
All the Raider rookies are sleeved. Okay, so really nicer. You could tell the cards are a little better on these ones. So here's our certified, guys. Good luck. So we got Musa rookie.
Ozanan.
Ooh,
Musa.
Judy.
Oh, here's our first hit right off the bat.
That is the
Rockets.
Rockets. Nene.
Henry.
What?
That's Henry.
Is that Henry?
Yeah, but look at the jersey. Flip it. It's just. I thought there was like a line there.
Yeah. Oh, it's sleeve.
Where's the hand?
And that's Nene, number to 149.
That needs a thick sleeve.
Yeah. No, it's okay.
Oh, here.
Here, I got one.
So the first one is Henry with the Houston Rockets. You want me to sleeve all these cards from here? Or
No, I'll put them. The ones here that I put there. Okay.
I'm not sure.
Here we got a future Kevin Herter.
Yeah.
Kevin Herter. And we got Dion Writers.
It looks like
Waiters.
Yeah, they're a nicer
Dion Waiters.
Dion Waiters.
So anything you put here. Just
Yeah.
Did he used to be a waiter or something?
Well, here's your buddy, DeMar DeRozan.
Who's got the rack?
Guys, this is a nice set. If you want to go for a set, the certified's a nice set.
Hold on. Let me see. Oh, Frank's got the Raptors.
Frank's got the Raptors. There's DeMar DeRozan. Michael Porter Jr., rookie. Ooh, look at that.
First autograph.
Yeah, Tony Carr from the Pelicans. Who's got the Pelicans?
Pelicans, I think it's James.
Frank.
Frank's got the Pelicans. That's a nice on card.
There you go. Is he a rookie, this guy?
Here's a nice Akeem Olajuwon.
Magic.
And is Jonathan Isaac.
That's yours.
Yeah.
Use that for the magic.
This
This is rookie.
Is it a rookie? Just leave it up. Next up, we got Jeff. Oh, we got something here.
You ready? Ooh.
Mo Bamba. That's a nice looking
That's
card.
your
Rookie
card,
card.
buddy.
Is that Eli's? Look at
Yep,
that. Look at that
Magic.
nice card there. It's a number.
What is it?
It's a number to 199. Mo Bamba. That's a nice looking card.
I think that's the fourth one.
Certified star. Yep, there we are. Back at the same card.
Who's that guy?
That's De'Aaron Fox. That's a good rookie for the the 2017-18 Noir. No. And we got a Jabari Parker.
Okay.
All right, next up. So we got the memorabilia card. We got the one autograph.
What's the memorabilia card?
That's the jersey. Nene.
Oh, okay.
So we still have one auto to go.
Ooh, I saw something shiny.
Yeah.
Like
Oh, yeah. Something's going on in this pack. Derrick Rose. Bruce Brown. That's a rookie.
Here.
Oh, look at this.
Ooh.
Who's that?
Larry Nance
That's
Jr.
Rainbow.
Who's he
That's
on
a rainbow foil, yes.
Look at that.
199 rainbow foil.
Is he on the Cleveland?
Cleveland Cavaliers. Who's got Cleveland? That's a nice
Chris.
card. Chris.
First hit, I think.
Nice hit. Look at that rainbow foil, number to 199. That's a nice card. See how the certified is better? Damian Lillard. And what do you got here?
Ooh, wait.
Oh, they tricked us with a filler card. And we got Helfer Payton. Yeah. Yeah, the certified, if you get a Luka or a Trey Young or one of these rookies, it's worth money. Lots of money. These are nicer cards, eh? You can tell.
Yeah.
Here's your buddy Shvi again.
Ooh, I thought I see
Here's your buddy
something.
Z. Let's do that one. A rookie. Miles Bridges. That's a nice one.
See something. Whoa.
That's a pretty crazy card, eh?
That's an odd one. It has two
Let me
guys.
sleeve this one.
Yeah, it's rookies. All the rookies get sleeved. There's our Mambo. We got Jamal Murray and Bam. Your buddy Bam. Here we go.
Still have
Almost
one
there.
more autograph.
One more autograph to go, yeah.
No.
Yeah?
We got a memorabilia card. And we got an autograph. We got one more autograph to go. Amari Spellman rookie. Damian Lillard. What do we got here? Second one. And it is Daniel Thies. And that's a Choice Signatures. And it's a Celtics number to 199.
Is that me?
That's James again, I think. No, wait, hold on.
That's the Celtics. Not Boston.
James. James got 3 autos.
Holy smokes. Look, that's a nice looking card.
So we're done all the auto then.
I should still get numbers in it, numbered cards in it. I can't wait for this Panini Noir. What do you think, Pete? We're going to get something? Josh Jackson, here we go. Nice. Landry Shamet, Philadelphia, number to
Frank.
199. No,
Frank.
that's not Frank.
James.
James.
Jesus.
Fucking James is killing it.
Jerry West. Kevin Lowe. Evan Fromer.
Do I have Jerry West sleeve? No?
There we go. Kyle Lowry. Troy Brown Jr. We got a nice. Oh, numbered to 49.
Who's that?
DeAndre Jordan.
Which team is that?
Andre Jordan.
And that is that the Timberwolves?
No, that's Dallas, and it's Henry.
That's a nice
Is that
looking
Dallas?
card. Number to 49.
Wait, is that Dallas?
Let me see here.
The horse.
Yeah, is it
Is
Dallas?
it? Let me see.
Yeah, Mavericks.
No,
Yeah, it is. What are you talking about?
it
man?
says Clippers.
It says they're here. Mavericks.
Oh, he went from the LA
Yeah.
Clippers to the Mavericks.
Numbered to
Ooh, another
49.
rainbow. Oh.
Those are nice cards. It's numbered to 49 too.
It's like a purple. What do you call these?
It's a foil, like a. Here's another one. Larry Nance Jr. There's Athena.
Who's that?
There's Athena. Andrew Jordan. Okay, last card, last pack, guys, and then we're gonna go into what we all came here to.
Is this guy any good? Mo Bamba?
Yeah, he's okay.
Sounds like it's fun.
There's a nice one. Marvin
Who's that?
Bradley the third, Sacramento Kings. Who's got Sacramento? That's a couple. Well, here's another jersey. So we got an extra jersey.
Hold on, Sacramento.
Not in Philadelphia. Philadelphia is
Hold on.
funny.
Gus.
Gus. So here's we got a fourth hit,
Who's that?
and it is Giorgio Deng, numbered to 149. Fabric of the game.
Is this a rookie?
Yeah, that's a rookie, and it is Minnesota. Who's got Minnesota?
Is it me?
James.
Is it James again?
James.
Holy smokes, he's got all the hits.
Jesus. I'll take that box.
Okay, guys, here we go. Panini Noir.
Hold on. First, give me a thick.
It's okay. Okay, guys, here we go. Panini Noir. Everybody ready?
Yep.
7 cards.
We got, I think, to cover the card.
Yeah. Yeah. Here, give me that. Let's see here.
Maybe.
That's thick. That looks like it's thick. Now, if there's any, if there's more than one person on the card, it goes to a draw. Right? If there's more than one guy, unless you have both teams. Hold on.
Wait.
Those are a lot of cards.
Yeah. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Cross pink is good.
7 cards. Okay, so first one. We'll go one by one, and we'll put them right here. Okay, so ready? First card is going to be a Maxi Kleber, and it's Dallas, and it's numbered to 79. Who's got that? Dallas Mavericks.
Dallas Henry.
Henry's got Dallas, so that's the first card. So 7 of these ones are going to be memorabilia or autographs. Okay?
How many in total are there?
Oh, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like 10.
Okay.
Next up,
Ooh,
Paul George,
that's you.
Oklahoma, number to 79. Paul George.
That's me.
That's you, Eli.
Okay, now we're getting into probably the autographs. Let's see.
Come on, play an autograph.
Ooh. Who's that?
Frank Kaminsky, and it's numbered to
Hornets?
99.
Is that Hornets?
Charlotte Hornets.
So that goes to
Frank?
No,
Gus.
Gus has got it. Nice hit, Gus.
That'd be funny if it was Frank. And his name's Frank.
Next up. Jawan Evans, number /99, relic.
Huey line.
Clippers.
L.A. Clippers.
That's my first hit from the
New
Clippers.
Wave jerseys. Now we're going to get into the autographs, boys.
Hope I get one.
What does New Wave jersey mean?
Dad,
Yeah.
I got two so far.
Ready?
Yeah. Ooh,
Oh, look at this. Kevin Johnson.
It's a nice card.
that is Phoenix. Phoenix?
Yeah.
Jake.
Jake. That's Kevin Johnson. Remember Kevin Johnson?
What is it, number 2? 99?
Number /99. Kevin Johnson icons. Okay, nice hit, Jake.
So I'm moving on to the auto.
Next up. That's a duel. Lonzo Ball and TJ Leaf. Oh, now we got
What are the teams?
Indiana and Lakers.
Indiana is Jake. And the Los Angeles Lakers
Or
is Jake.
He's got both of them?
He's got both.
Jake, you got it. Lonzo
No.
Ball and TJ Leaf. That's a
oh,
nice one.
easy.
That was easy.
So we're getting on to the autos now.
Yeah,
Jake and Jake. Yep.
here we go.
Ooh, there's an auto.
Ooh.
The big auto.
Sharif Abdul Rahim.
Who gets that?
Which
Memphis.
team? Memphis.
Wait, hold on. The Grizzlies went. Wait. Where did the Grizzlies go?
James.
No. There's no.
Grizzlies.
Memphis. Yeah, they went to Memphis.
Yeah,
James. James.
Jesus.
that's a nice one.
James gets. Yeah, right? Grizzlies. Yeah, Memphis.
That's good, you know. That's lucky.
Next up.
James got a lot of cards here.
Oh, nice ones too. Ooh.
Oh.
Lakers. Jake.
Isaiah Thomas Jr.
That's Jake.
Gold.
Is that better?
Gold ink, yeah. Spotlight.
That is.
Number to 325.
Jake.
125. That's a nice one.
Sure, if someone wants to. I don't even think he has a contract though, this guy. Who's he playing for right now?
Well, it goes to the Lakers, so who's got Lakers?
Jake.
Jake.
So next one is Redemption.
What is that? What is that?
It is a redemption. It is a Noir Black autograph prime rookie color, and it is Dennis Smith Jr.
What team?
Let's Google him.
Yeah, Google him up.
What team is that?
Hold on, let's see. Dennis?
Dennis Smith Jr. I think we've gotten his cards already. I think. Who's that?
New York Knicks.
What
New York
else?
Knicks. And Andrew.
Andrew, yep.
Nice hit, Andrew.
Dennis Smith Jr.
Autograph prime rookie color.
Why don't they just give you the card?
Because he hasn't signed it. He didn't sign
Oh,
it.
he has to sign it.
Yeah. Nice hit,
He
Andrew.
was born in 1997.
Okay, last card is going to be Zach Rudolph, Sacramento Kings, number to 25.
That's a nice card.
Sacramento Kings is Gus.
Nice hit, Gus. Guys, thank you for watching the break. We're going to take a short break and then we're going to do the giveaway. So stay tuned. We're going to just clean up over here, and then we'll do the giveaway. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been a great break, and see you on the next one.